I greet you all and welcome you to the marketing class. Today we want to study the ways in which or strategies that one can use to retain customers, what we are calling customer retention strategies. And retaining a customer is more than just a transaction. It is about building something like a family or a community with your brand. And with the rise of the digital economy, customers have more choices than ever, which makes um, retention strategies the most important part of the marketing toolkit. So it's important if you are in business to know how to retain customers. In our previous session, we discussed the importance of retaining customers, customer retention. One way is to implement what we call tiered loyalty programs. Implement tiered loyalty programs, tiered. So here you don't just reward every purchase. Here you reward long-term commitment. A tiered system encourages customers to reach the next level to unlock better rewards or perks. And you can implement this system or program by having or creating levels like bronze, silver, gold, and so on. One tier, call it bronze, silver, gold. You have these categories. A good example is Java House that uses a points-based system where frequent customers earn points that can be redeemed for free meals in future. And many SMEs today are moving towards that direction. They are moving to what we call WhatsApp integrated bots. WhatsApp integrated bots, where a customer can check their points instantly. You may also, apart from implementing a tiered loyalty program, you can have you can personalize via M-Pesa data. You can personalize via M-Pesa data. You can use M-Pesa data to personalize. Okay, you can also use a CRM. So personalization is a human touch that makes a customer feel valued. You can use the data that you have, like the purchase history, their birthdays, their preferred locations, to tailor your offers. For example, you can send an automated SMS or even a WhatsApp message to Nkurunziza. You say, "Hi Nkurunziza, we noticed you instantly refill your cooking gas around this time. Would you like a 5% discount if you order today?" You can send such a message to a customer. Now, when you send such a message, it shows that you are paying attention to their specific needs. So that's what I mean by personalize via M-Pesa data or customer relations management and customer relations management. Use past history that the customer has had with you so that you can make the customer have that personal touch, the human touch. That's one way to retain customers. The other way to retain customers is to build communities. Build a brand community. Build a brand community. Building brand communities. Human beings like social. Um, the human beings have social needs. Let me put it that way. And especially in here in Kenya, we are social spenders. So creating a sense of belonging makes it harder for a customer to leave for a competitor. You can create for example, you can create an exclusive VIP WhatsApp group, or even you can create Facebook communities or such like groups, and then you can give the members early access to new products, or what you may call members only flash sales. Create a community, then the members of that community will give them preference over certain services and so on. That will be another way to retain customers. When a new product comes or when there is an upgrade, you give them the first priority in terms of access. When you do that, it transforms your relationship from just a seller-buyer dynamic to a community or family dynamic. That's another way to retain customers. Build a brand community or communities. The fourth way to retain customers is to provide proactive customer support. Provide proactive customer support. Provide proactive customer support. Don't wait for the customer to complain. Proactive customer support means fixing the potholes before the customer hits the pothole. Before the customer hits a pothole, make sure you fix it. The customer should be aware that you fixed that pothole before they hit it, before the customer complains. Be proactive. Don't react to customer complaints. Anticipate the complaints, then fix the complaints. That's one way to retain customers. So you send a post-purchase follow-up message, for example, asking, is the product working well for you? Or you can provide a how to use video immediately after they buy. How to use. There are many products even personally I have bought and I don't know how to fix it. So you need to go and Google how to fix it. So if you are selling such products, then don't wait for customers to go on YouTube or on Google to know how to fix it. You can make a small video on how to use the products. Be proactive. Understand? Yes, because with the high usage of social media for complaints, being proactive prevents public callouts. It also builds trust. Because if customers are dissatisfied with the product, they run to social media and they complain about your products. And that can be counterproductive. The fifth strategy to retain customers, we are discussing customer retention strategies, is to do what we call surprise delights. Offer surprise delights. Offer unexpected delights. Offer unexpected. Offer unexpected delights. Surprise and delight. It could just be a small unexpected gesture that may create a massive impact. It may be small, but may create a massive impact. Right? A massive emotional impact that keeps customers loyal for years. For example, you can occasionally include a small free gift, like a branded pen or a sample of a new product or a loyal customer surprise discount code in their package. That can help you retain some customers. For example, a clothing boutique can include a handwritten thank you note with every fifth order. With every fifth order, you have that thank you note included. So there are many ways in which that can be done, but I think you get the point. offer unexpected delights. People nowadays do not expect discounts. They do not expect gifts from sellers. Because sellers always complain the economy. They complain always about inflation, about cost of production, so on. And the buyers don't expect discounts. They don't expect such unexpected delight. So when you offer some, then that can help you retain customers because it creates a massive impact. It creates a massive emotional impact that keeps a customer loyal for many years. So these are 5 strategies to retain customers. Customer retention strategies. 1, implement a tiered loyalty programs. 2, have personalized arrangements. You can use M-Pesa data. Then number 3, build brand communities. Provide proactive customer support. Then you can offer unexpected delights. These are 5 ways. There could be more ways. These are 5 ways that we managed to study in today's lesson. Bye-bye.